Hello Busa fam, and welcome back to another stationery review video. In today's video I'm going to review this beautiful set of brush markers from Stationery Island. Stationery Island reached out to me on Instagram and they asked me whether I was interested in reviewing one of their stationery set, and I accepted. So the video itself is not sponsored by Stationery Island, but I did get the brushes for free. And of course, if you follow me on Instagram, you know already that I'm kind of like obsessed with these, and ever since I got them I started doing like calligraphy videos, and I'm having so much fun practicing my calligraphy with these brushes. And for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Ricardo. I'm a 24 years old Italian student currently living in Paris, and if you're into bullet journaling, stationery, motivation and all of that, please do consider subscribing to the channel. I got from Stationery Island this jewel brush marker set. As you can see, there are 12 colors in one aqua brush. As we have a look here, 12 blendable colors plus one aqua brush, ideal for calligraphy and creating watercolor effects. Felt brush and fine line tips. So basically each brush has two tips, one brush and one fine liner. And on the other side, here on the back, there is a brief description of how the watercolor effect works and how to fill in the watercolor brush. So I have visited their website, Stationery Island, to get to know more the company. So they are based on UK, but they do deliver their products abroad as well. Stationery Island is a market-leading brand for art pens such as chalk pens, watercolor brush pens, fabric pens, and much more. They have their own line of stationery products, but they also supply for other companies such as Kuretake, Arline, Zigo, etc. I have quickly gone through the website and they do have a lot of items on the website. I'm very excited to try out the Stationery Island brushes because I've never used any of their products, and as you can see here they have a variety of items. And yeah, so if you're into stationery, just go and have a look at what they offer because they do have a lot to offer. You can also find some deals of the month on their website. First of all, if I have a look at the box itself, as you can see, you can easily open it and you can easily close it as well so that you can store all of your pens inside. And what I absolutely love about this package is that the pens are nicely stored in it as well. I'm going to try and make it as clear as possible, but basically you have this extra like plastic thing in here, and that keeps the pens all organized. So as you can see here, if I take one out, you have this plastic thing going on that keeps it organized within the case, if that makes sense. But let's have a look at one of the brushes, shall we? As you can see, the brush is quite long. Compared to a Tombow, I'd say that it's almost the same size. The Tombow is slightly longer, but they are pretty similar in terms of size. I really like the fact that they added a Stationery Island brush marker here on the side. There is no color though. I usually like to have a number or some sort of reference so that in case I want a specific color, in case I use a color for a spread, I know which marker I used. Here in this case, since I have these 12 colors, it's easy to identify which color it is, but I feel it's always good to have like a number or some sort of reference, you know. On the other side, it says jewel nib. I like the fact that it's white, which I like it better than the Tombow actually. I've never really liked the fact that the main body of the pen was black. I like really prefer like having like a white pen, but that's, you know, that's my personal preference. If we have a closer look at the brush, as you can see here, it's got quite a peculiar form. So it's very thin up here, and then it kind of goes down like that, and that's why it's really well for calligraphy. We're gonna try and use and do some calligraphy in a moment. On the other side, you have a fine liner. Let me check about the size of the fine liner. So yeah, I think we are ready to try them out. I'm going to use this notebook that I got from Laton to do a quick swatch, all right? So I still have 3 colors to do, but I have no room left. So we're gonna see whether there is bleed through, ghosting and all of that. And wow, as you can see, the ink is perfect. Wow, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So as you can see here, the colors are very bright. I particularly love the red here. I think it's really bright, and the blue as well. Overall, I really enjoy all of the colors, and they are perfect for calligraphy. Now, I am a newbie. I'm not good like at calligraphy whatsoever. I'm still learning, and I can say that these guys are very good for beginners because of the way that the brush is made. The fact of having this shape for the brush makes it easier to do the strokes, you know, the thin strokes and the kind of like bolder strokes. So I'm definitely gonna use these for practicing calligraphy. Now there's also the watercolor effect that you can create. Now I'm really not into watercoloring, but I want to give it a try. So I'm going to fill this guy with water and we'll see. Super easy. I just put some water in and I'm going to scrape back. So basically what you do is that you mix colors with this specific aqua brush. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'm choosing these 2 blue here. So don't judge me, I'm not sure how this is done, but you know, there's always a first day for everything. So this is me, day 1, trying to do some watercolor effect. So as a push, this is how you do the watercolor effect. Wait, let me put some green, for example. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I'm not like drawing anything like specific, but just want to have fun with this effect. am glad that the paper is holding pretty well, even though there's like a lot of water. But yeah, you get the point. So basically, you can use the brushes for doing some watercolor effect by using the aqua brush. And so if you're into that, the whole set is very good because you have the 12 colors plus the aqua brush, and so you can do lettering, you can do calligraphy, you can use the fine liners, and you can do the watercolor effect as well. If you have a look at the price on the website, this dual brush marker set is at £14.99, so which is 17 euros, I'd say. And I think that it's a good deal for the 12 markers plus the aqua brush. It's a good deal, especially compared to other brands like Tombow, which tend to be very, very expensive. So if you're looking for an alternative, and if you are a beginner like me, and if you're looking for something that's not as expensive, I'd say that this is a very good set to start with, because you have all of the main colors, you have the brushes and the fine liners, and you can do the watercolor effect if you want. I've looked on their website, and you can get like a specific color separately, so they only come in these sets, but you have different sets of either 12 or 6 colors. So I recommend go and have a look at the website and see whether you find a set that works out for you. In my case, this works really well, and I can't wait to see my calligraphy improve and get better in this 2018. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in a small comment down below what your thoughts are about these beautiful dual brush markers. Did you know about Stationery Island? Have you already used some of their products? Please share with me and with the community what your thoughts are about the company and their products. And as usual, I hope you guys have a great day and stay boosted.